All right, I'm going to show you guys how these things work. Bam, here we are. Check them out. First of all, you got to charge them up. I've already done that. So we're going to unplug this USB-C. Cha-ching. Now, the tricky thing about this case is it doesn't open up like a regular case. You got to push it like this. You see that? See how this works? Like that. All right. So anyway, all right. So I'm thinking that these are right and left, because if I'm looking at it like this, this would be my right ear. This would be my left ear. So let's go ahead. We'll pull out the right ear. Okay. This is my right ear. So now this goes behind the ear like this, right? And to turn it on, I believe what we do is we're going to do a long press. And that turns it on. Let's see if you can hear it. It's making like a squiggly sound. Now, if I want to lower it, I click here. Just one click. If I want to raise it, I click here. And then to get it in your ear, you're just going to slide it behind. It's going to go behind your ear like this. I'm going to lower it because it's pretty loud. And you just shove it in your ear. Just like that. Like this. First of all, I got to lower this because it's loud. Okay. Now I slide it behind my ear like this. It's talking to me. It's got a lot of feedback. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put it in. It's telling me that the hearing aid, I turned it off. But it's not, it's definitely not off. All right, so that goes in there. And bam. Oh my God. Check it out. I can hear unbelievably with this. It's super loud. Okay. Same thing for this one. First of all, I'm gonna lower it. You follow me? I want it low. I'm gonna stick it in behind the ear like that. And then this is gonna go right in there like that. Wow. And let me tell you something, this super amplifies everything. I mean, it's loud. Super loud. So you guys can see here and here. Now, if I want to, you know, turn it down, I press the bottom and it goes to minimum volume. So when I do that, it says, you hear a voice saying minimum volume. So I've got it on the lowest volume, and it's loud as hell. I mean, it's super loud for that volume. So it really works well. So anyway, let me pop them off. Oh, when you take them off, man, it feels, you really know it, all right? So when you put them back in, you're going to notice where the little magnets are. So that kind of tells you where they got to go in here, because let me show you. When you look inside, whoops, they're making noise. When you look inside there, you're going to see the contacts right here. You see those little contacts on either side. So there's only one way you can put them in, and then it tells you inside the case which is right and which is left. So like this one, right, I've got to put it on this side. So this is the right one. So I slide it in and I just smush it down on there. And then the other one I'm going to put in like this. You see? And they're magnetized, so they grab. So that's how they go in. And so it tells you R and L. So you got right and left. So you know how it works. And that's basically it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.